So I'm at the display room right now, and I'm showing you WellSpot products, and we have a total of 5 free series of products, and this is the Make You series, and this is for students aged 3 to 6 years old. So we have invented this new coding method called the magnetic block programming. So here you have a controller, you have motors, you have functions, and you got different sensors and a button. So in order to get this thing spin, you'll need to press the button and to cover the light sensor. And we also got a like a coding pen method to code. So here is a coding pen. I'll just power it on, and I'll just power this one as well. So it is remotely connected, and I can code with coding pen, a light sensor, and with these cards. So I can start, and I can go forward, I can go backwards, I can spin the motor, and I can end programming, and I can start it. Yep. So here you've got the Smart series, is for 6 years old to 8 years old. You also got AI module. This one is for 8 to 12 years old. An engine bot, that is for 10 years old. And robot, some method build. So here are some contest maps that we have right now for Enjoy AI competitions. We also have this coding pad. So with this coding pad, you can see on top is all the programming diagrams, and you can control it without using your phone and PC. Another map. Some of the different actuators, controllers, motors. And here you can see that there is a map for university students to do their contest. And this one is a production line belt with robot.